All right, you guys, we're here today for Skate Olympics episode 5, potentially the most exciting one of them all. Are you ready?
No, why is it exciting?
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Are you ready? Are you ready?
I'm gonna win this one.
I think it's the most exciting because the events we have planned out are most definitely the best ones.
The best events.
Great.
Absolutely.
I hope it's a bunch of heel flips like last time.
Do you want to be surprised or should I say it up front?
Be surprised. Surprise.
All right, let's go over there for event 1.
Event 1
Actually,
is my
no,
favorite.
sorry. It's over here for event 1. We're starting off with potentially the most sketchy one first, which is the highest switch wall ride.
Well, I'm taking 4th on this.
Everyone has 3 tries. You roll up switch, go up the ramp switch, ride back down regular. The place that your back wheel touches is your highest point.
Aaron is already going.
Aaron is going. I'm gonna say that was about 7 feet 8 inches.
Oh, 2 more tries?
Everyone- yeah,
no,
everyone
everybody else has to go so I can see what I'm up against.
Okay, yeah. Fetty, go ahead.
Exactly the same.
Uzi, you're up.
I'm about to set a record. The world's lowest.
I'm just gonna mostly be happy to make it out of this walking. Does it count if he doesn't land?
Not count if he does not land.
Wow.
But that would have been higher than Fetty's. Uzi, are you okay?
Yeah.
I don't know if Troy's actually set a single wheel on this yet.
And he's doing a switch for the first time.
You got this, Troy! That was actually surprisingly high. Fetty's in the lead. Uzi's in last place. Troy and Aaron are at a tie right now.
Well done.
Because of the cape.
Considerably lower than your first one. That was about 8 feet 7 inches.
New record. Who dis?
Uzi, you're gonna die! A little lower than Aaron's first one.
Maybe I'm trying to do an ollie tray off the top of the rail.
You still haven't got a score yet. You need to just land one.
That was a little lower than Fetty's, but it was about 8 foot 5 inches. That would put him at second place right now.
I tried to get out of the way.
Are you okay?
My knee's a little sore, but dude, that was rad.
Uzi, be careful! I'm really worried right now. So it looks like after event number 1, in first place is Fetty, second place is Aaron, third place is Troy, fourth place is Uzi.
I think we should give Uzi the W just for landing.
No, for surviving, not landing. All right, is everyone ready for event number 2? Event number 2, we're here in the parking lot because there's a vast area of empty space for the longest scooter toss.
We did the skateboard toss. Now we'll do the scooter toss?
You're up.
Oh, why am I go first all the time?
Everyone gets 2 tries.
Ow!
How's your ankle after that one?
I'll never skate again. I hope there's not skating events in this skateboard Olympics.
All right, Fetty, you're up.
It's like we're playing against a bionic human. Did you see that throw? That was ridiculous.
I've literally never seen a more graceful thing from Fetty. Did you
Yeah.
see his spinning?
Yeah. You gonna throw it from that side?
Yeah. Uzi, you're doing everything wrong.
That may have been the single most incredible thing I've ever seen.
And everyone said he was doing it wrong, including myself.
The haters.
Dude, he edged Fetty by about 7 to 8 inches. I've never been more proud of you, Uzi. All right, Troy, you ready?
1 inch behind me.
Ooh, look at that. Aaron, you are literally like a half an inch in front. Aaron got the ankle biter in the first one. I'm really looking for a turnaround performance in this one. Show him how it's done.
I'm so scared to get close.
Ah! Yeah! Fetty, that was incredible.
Forgot to yell on my first one. Unleash all my power.
We have a new leader. Can his new strategy take down Fetty Potter, the champion? It's the Skate Olympics. You never know what'll happen. Wow. Whoa! Uzi has like that strength, that hidden freaking dragon strength in there. He beat out Fetty by like 10 feet.
I didn't kill anyone, so I am happy.
every ounce of strength you have, Troy.
I'm coming, Fetty.
Scream. That was an amazing scream, dude.
I'm so glad I'm not last.
Yes.
I beat my own score. That's all that counts.
All right. Uzi, Fetty, Aaron, Troy. Boom. Obstacle number 3 is the longest backside power slide. Everyone gets 3 tries. Start at this line. You have to roll away from it. You go, Aaron. Oh! Troy just came out of nowhere on that.
So anticlimactic.
Oh!
I didn't see the line.
That attempt does not change his first try. He didn't land it. Bring it home, Troy! If he landed that, that would have been the best thing I've ever seen. Oh! He either does so well or so bad.
You could hear his body hit the ground.
Let's go, Troy! Let's go to the leaderboard over here. In first place, Fetty Potter. In second place, Aaron. In third place, Troy. And fourth place, Uzi. So the final event, potentially the hardest one we've ever done. This is the Braille House every obstacle time trial. What that means is you have to hit the flat bar, the 5 stair.
In this order?
No, any order you want. The Euro gap, the mini ramp, the hubba, which can be either one is fine. The mani pad, 20-foot box, and then you have to finish off by climbing up the Braille drop.
No, you have to just end right here. So whether you go up the stairs or up the wall, it's up to you.
There's not nearly enough rules. I'll just do things and you can tell me if I cheated.
Good. Good on the wall ride. Good on the box. Good on the flat bar. Good on the mani pad. Good on the 3. Good on the hubba, on the Euro. Good on the 5, you need a hubba.
Minute 25.
Minute 25, 24. That one. That was good. That was good. Fine. That was fine. Good. Count it. Oh, time.
Oh, 113.
Woo! Ooh, the controversy on the grinds.
Oh, no.
Okay, Uzi, you're up.
Okay.
Happy start.
Good. 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 Hubba. Get up there! Do a 50-50! Oh yeah. Get up there! Get up there! Get both feet! Time! Oh!
109.
Even with the mishap on the mini ramp, that's surprising. And the hubba too. I think it's because he has the longest legs.
I had the mishap on the
on the Euro, yeah.
That was the scariest thing I've ever done.
When I said you can go down it too, it looked like you were not ready for it. And then you went, okay, front 180. I was like, no. Troy,
Oh my God,
ready
dude.
for this?
That was amazing.
You got
Dude.
this. There you go. Box two. Good. Good. Oh, please. Good.
My legs are so tired already.
You can always do a trick down. We'll give it to you. Take a breath, Troy. Take a breath.
Nice and long. Man, this is like endurance. Maybe I'll stick to the ollie.
Do the ollie, Troy. You're fine. That's good. You just gotta hit a hubba. Whoa! Now up the barrel drop. Up the barrel drop. I don't blame him for taking that route. Not at all. And time.
Let's just give it to Troy.
I think Troy should take first place just for the fall on the handrail. I've never feared for Troy's life more. All right, let me tally these boys up. So that puts Aaron with a grand total of 10. Fetty, grand total of 6. Troy ends up with 14. Uzi ends up with 10. And we have a two-way tie between Aaron and Uzi. So that means they have to play a game of skate to see who wins. All right, let's do this fast. Uzi goes first. This is the game.
Anything counts?
For silver and bronze. Uzi, remember what I told you.
You're like that dude who taught Batman.
Everything you got. It all comes
You're all
down to
winners
this.
in my book.
Second place, baby. This is all you. Hey, no! Wow, Uzi. This is messed. Woo! Aaron's on his back today, jeez. Oh!
Why can't I frontside flip anymore?
He's holding on. I give him a lot of props for that. That's a good game. Very good game. It was a valiant effort. And now we have Braille Olympics Episode 5 award ceremony. In third place with the bronze medal, we have Uzi.
I got third.
Daniel. Everyone give him a round. There you go. You're just very tall. I can't reach up there. And in second place, we have Aaron Kyro.
Might be the closest I've ever come to winning.
Well done. In first place with the gold medal, Fetty Potter.
How'd you get gold?
And I would just like to give an appreciative shout out to Troy, who has literally not skated in a full month, but still gave us the run of his life.
Literally. Painful.
Everyone give him a round.
Thank you. You guys are the best. Thank you so much for watching this. We hope you enjoyed this episode of the Braille Skate Olympics. Leave it in the comments below which events you would like to see us do next in the Braille Olympics, and then hashtag notification squad. You guys know what to do. Like, share, subscribe, and leave those comments below. We'll see you in the next video tomorrow. Watch all these other ones.
And subscribe to Braille Army and Braille Gaming.